Hey folks, and welcome to my backyard. Today we're doing pork tenderloins, one with bacon wrap and one without. Let's get started. Two tenderloins come in a pack, and I'm just going to do a quick trim of the silver skin here. Silver, the silver, the silver skin has all been removed, and it's ready for some seasoning now. We'll put some oil for some binding, and then we'll add some rub. Today I'm going to use the avocado oil as my binder. Rub the meat there. Alright, for my non-bacon wrap one, I'm going to use the Chud Rub. Kind of cover it pretty good. All the way around. Of course, we're going to let these sit for about 30-20 minutes, enough time for the smoker to get up to temperature. There we go. That's plenty. And then for the bacon wrap, I'm going to use the Holy Gospel barbecue rub from Meat Church. I like doing this outside so all the seasoning doesn't end up all over the counter in the house. And right now it's not too deathly hot outside. A couple hours it's supposed to hit 102. There we go. Now, because it's going to go inside the bacon, I'm just going to dash it with a little bit of black pepper because I like black pepper. Then I'm going to dash a little bit on the bacon as well. Alright, so look at that beautiful mess. We'll let the sun pull out the moisture. We'll see it all shiny here in a minute or two. Now I'm going to transfer my Meat Church rubbed tenderloin right onto the bacon. Now I'm going to use the parchment paper to overlay all that bacon all at one time. Oh, one didn't want to stay. I see. All right. Perfect little wrap. I'll let these sit here for about 20-30 minutes while the smoker gets up to temperature. We're going to start out at 225 for about an hour. Alright, so we reached the temperature of 225. Now we're going to stick them into our Pit Boss smoker. Smoker rolling. Put it on the top shelf. As normally do. here. So I know what we have. Number one is there. Number two. Plug that back in. Come back and check it in about 30 minutes or so to see how it's going. Should take a couple hours to get to the 145 internal tip for Pork Tenderloin. Alright, so I pulled these off the smoker. 145, 148. Hopefully it's not going to make too much damage, but it has a nice glaze on it. We're going to tint it up with some foil, let it sit for about 15 minutes before we cut into it. But it looks delicious. Alright, so we pulled them off. Now slice into the one with the bacon. Ooh. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but that looks delicious. How about the one without the bacon? I see the juices flowing on that one. That one looks good too. We got a nice little smoke ring on that. That looks good. Alright, let's slice it in. Nice thin cut. Ooh, wow. That looks good. With the bacon too. That is good flavor. Won't pass that up. When beef prices are too much, go with the pork tenderloin. That was good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Smoked pork tenderloin. That has some good flavor. Taste the pepper. The sauce that I put on it. Taste the rubs. Wow. Definitely a great Sunday meal. Some HEB coleslaw. The bacon was an extra touch. Tastes real good though.